What's up, everybody? My name is Tararuchi, and let's welcome to the video! Hey everyone, here we go again to share some tips and tricks about crypto gaming, and I'm your boy Tararuchi to dive deep into the latest games around Ronin Network. So if you're into crypto gaming, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm here to bring you the latest update about Wild Forest. Yes, this is my first video about Wild Forest, so today I got some exciting updates for you. So let's get it to it. So first up, let's talk about the Honor Points update for the leaderboards. So you can see they posted the details, the announcement in their official Discord. So as you can see here, this is the document that the detailed information on how many honor points you'll earn based on your rank in game. So the in-game rank that they talking about is here, which is wait. Ito, yan. So I'm currently rank 796. So I'll be earning for example, I didn't drop any position. So let's see. Something 4,000 plus. Something 4,000 plus. Yeah. 4,614. So it's a huge boost in my rank in their airdrop since alam mo yun, hindi ko kasi makukumpleto yung 28 days. So I miss one day. Then I miss one day and I'm missing 2,000 points. So I still can complete this battle pass this battle pass rewards level 100. So and the another update is the they released the premium battle pass maybe tomorrow. They said tomorrow, but I don't know what the official time. So in this shop, they're gonna replace this unit chest. I don't know if gonna wait. They said tomorrow we will switch forge to release units and will offer premium battle pass. Yes. They're gonna remove the Purge, which is mm, so they didn't Purge any heroes. Purge now. So bukas mawawala na to. Papalitan na nila to ng battle pass. So kung may essence points ka ngayon na madami pa, pwede mong gamitin yung essence points mo para bumili ng battle pass. And I think the price for battle pass will be like 2,000 plus essence. Can you imagine the rewards na makukuha mo dito? Ang dami niyan. May WF, may skin, may additional chest. So coins na makakatulong sa'yo to achieve or maka-progress sa game. So kung makikita mo ko, ang ginawa ko kasi dito kaya hindi na ako proceed sa ranking kasi the time na I reach League 6, I instantly sell all my units in Maybe's marketplace. So, as you can see here, once you unlock the League 6 from League 2 to League 6, you will earn the points. So, sana hindi na, yan, Winhara illustrating. Yeah. So, kahit bumaba ka, hindi naman na, even you derank your um, current status sa game. Ito. Ayan. Kahit bumaba ka ng, ay, hindi. Kahit magdarang ka, 'di ba? Oh, layo ko na. League 5 na lang ako eh. Na-unlock mo na 'to. But since there is an update about this one, since seasonal leaderboard, which is this one, so mas mataas na rank nga. Siyempre, mas mataas yung reward. As you can see here, I'm only earning 4,000 plus, 4,600. So, bababa pa tong rank ko. So, I think, like, lalagpas ako sa 1,000. So, that's the problem. But, it's still a boost for me since hindi ko nga makuha 'to. So, malaking part na yun na hindi ako bumaba masyado. So, mai-earn ko pa 'to and then I will try to, alam mo yun, mag-reach pa ng top 10 sa susunod sa last 3 days ng, later airdrop nila. Ta-try ko mag-top 10 ng sunod-sunod since I miss one day. Still gonna finish this one, mapatapos ko 'tong battle pass. Then, nag-top 2 ako nung first day, the pinaka first day ng, later na tinry kong mag reach to the top. So, nag-gain tayo niya na top 2 which is 700 plus na honor points. So, naging huge, naging boost talaga sa akin para mag-stay sa 1,000. So, hoping na hindi tayo malaglag sa 1,000 below. So, nung season 1, I reached like 308. So, nakakuha ko niyan ng something 5,500 o almost 6,000. So, naubos siya. So, 3,200 plus na lang. Kasi nga, ah, rank up ako ng mga units. So, may mga units akong binenta na din, mga legendary yon. So, mostly known is ito, yung healer. Kasi nung unang-una, sobrang mura ng unit na to. So, pwede kang like gumastos ng 12 ron lang. Tapos, pag maganda yung skill, mabebenta mo ng 100 ron. So, nakatatlo ako ng ganito na magaganda yung skill niya. Skill perks. Like, sabihin natin, kumita rin na sa kanya almost 200, 300 ron. Then, yung sa ibang legendary, yung sa Archer, ano pa ba na legendary ko? Madami eh. Tapos binenta ko na rin yung iba na yan. So, I earn like, sabihin natin, 400 something ganun. Then, yung iba nun na-reinvest ko sa Moki. Yeah. So, yun lang. Yun lang naman yung update nila ngayon. So, I think tomorrow mapapalitan na tong premium battle pass. So, I will post the update in my official Twitter. My official Twitter is tararuchi.ckn. Tararuchi.ckn. Yeah, yes. And yes, I'm a part of community, Zyken community. So, shoutout sa inyo dyan lahat. So, shoutout din sa Cryptomad. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.